So today we're going to be replacing the tabletop here on my workbench with a torsion box tabletop. I've had this for a couple of years and it's been working really well, but it's definitely not flat, and I'd really like a flat reference surface for assembling projects, etc. on the top. One problem is that the vise you see over here is a bit heavy and there's no leg supporting at the end, so it's kind of bowed this top. So I'll be looking to fix that by adding some support legs there, creating a dead flat torsion box tabletop on top here, which will really help with future projects. The design for this box and this idea came from the Wood Whisperer, Mark Spagnola. I definitely recommend checking out his video on this topic. I won't be showing all the details. I'll just show some of the steps along the way and maybe some differences that I'm going to make to this project. So let's get started. Just a note about how I'm cutting all these pieces here. What I did is create one measure stick, which I've got chalked up here, and then I'm using that to align it against a new cut edge. Flush it right up with my fingers. Bring the rail of Festool right up against that measure stick, and then go ahead and make those cuts. And that's how I'm getting all my offcuts the exact same width. Doesn't matter exactly what that width is. It's about 2.5. As long as I use this measure stick for all the pieces for the whole interior grid, then we'll be all set. Alright, so let's go ahead and review where we are. Before I took off the top to my workbench, I cut all the pieces that we're going to need. We have two end rails. These are all the internal rib pieces for the torsion box. We have the two end long rails, 3/4 MDF. We have the two cross end pieces, 3/4 MDF. 10 of these plus an extra 1/2 inch MDF for the internal cross pieces, and 44 of these plus some extras, all the little pieces that will make up the boxes. I ganged up the hardboard top and two 1/2 inch MDF pieces and cut oversize the new skins plus top, so that will be our new outer edges plus our new top. So the next step is to take apart the current workbench top, level everything on the top so we can have a nice level surface for building our torsion box, and then start assembling.